All right, time to do another little bass test since I got the bigger amp. This time we're gonna meter my living room. I think I found a sweet spot. And I'll be the first one to tell you that I don't really know where to meter my living room at. This is an open floor plan house. So that means that my dining room is behind me and the kitchen is over there to the left, and the entryway to the house, which has a vaulted ceiling, is to my other left, and the hallway is down the hallway right there, and the actual living room also has a 15-foot vaulted ceiling. So this is not a Honda Civic hatchback with two 15s in it. You're not going to expect the same SPL levels. And on top of that, I don't really know where else to put the mic. So we'll just put it in the sweetest spot I can find. And yes, I admit, I walked around the house and I found where it was doing the biggest number at. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So enjoy it for what it is. Take it for what it is. Being such a big, wide open space, you're going to have areas where it doesn't hit as hard. But movies, music, everything, right at the couch in your seating position, it sounds awesome. But this is the spot that I found that did the biggest number. And it's 30 feet away. So we're playing games, we're having fun. Right on the glass, all the way over here. And we are probably, I don't even know how many feet back. We'll measure it here in a second. But let's see. This system plays nice and low. It was designed to. 5 hertz. Look at 5 hertz. But it really starts getting ridiculous as soon as you hit the mid 40s and down. So 20 feet is right here. I take a lot of my videos right there. There, which is about 17 feet back. So we're gonna measure from the end of this carpet over to the spot. So there's 10 more feet. So you can see we're legit 30 feet away on the glass from my system. This is an open floor plan house. So my kitchen is way back here. Living room is over there. The wife's gone, so you know we got the meter in the kitchen, the SPL lab right here. And just so you know that the frequency is the same that's playing on the TV. All right, meter on the glass, over 30 feet away. We got this right here, gonna hit play. It should be about 42 hertz. I just saw 147 in there somewhere. Even though I did search around for the best spot I could find in the house, it's still 30 feet away from the first subwoofer. So, and even more from the second subwoofer. So this is all just for fun, just to give you an idea of what it sounds like in my living room. 3 hertz, sorry, 3 hertz.